Assalamu alaikum viewers. Hope you all are fine. Today our topic is chapter 1 problem solving important MCQs. Let's start now. Choose the correct option. Which of the following is a problem solving activity? Option A programming, option B procedure, option C bug, option D code. The correct answer is programming. The technique of dividing a complex problem into smaller parts is called option A top down design, option B algorithm development, option C divide and conquer rule, option D both A and C. The correct answer is both A and C. A finite set of steps to solve a problem is called option A algorithm, option B solution, option C syntax, option D result. The correct answer is algorithm. A graphical representation of the steps of an algorithm is called option A flowchart, option B algorithm diagram, option C data flow diagram, option D design chart. The correct answer is flowchart. The set of instructions given to the computer to solve a problem is known as option A program, option B algorithm, option C hardware, option D flowchart. The correct answer is program. The process of carefully observing the working of an algorithm is called option A desk checking, option B compiling, option C debugging, option D coding. The correct answer is desk checking. The process of writing a program in a programming language is called option A designing, option B coding, option C desk checking, option D documenting. The correct answer is coding. The set of rules for writing a program in any programming language is called option A syntax, option B bug, option C debug, option D index. The correct answer is syntax. Which term is commonly used to refer to program error? Option A bugs, option B debugs, option C compiling, option D syntax. The correct answer is bugs. The process of finding and removing error in the program is called option A debugging, option B compiling, option C executing, option D coding. The correct answer is debugging. Which of the following is not an example of a program bug? Option A runtime error, option B syntax error, option C logical error, option D operator error. The correct answer is operator error. A program syntax error is detected by option A compiler, option B debugger, option C interpreter, Option D, both A and C. The correct answer is both A and C. Which of the following errors cannot be detected by compiler? Option A, logical error. Option B, syntax error. Option C, both A and B. Option D, output error. The correct answer is logical error. A spelling mistake of any command in GW Basic is an example of option A, runtime error. Option B, syntax error. Option C, logical error. Option D, typing error. The correct answer is syntax error. If a program gives output that is different from thinking of programmer, it is called option A, runtime error. Option B, syntax error. Option C, logical error. Option D, output error. The correct answer is logical error. All of the following are parts of the documentation process except option A, test procedures. Option B, program algorithm. Option C, machine language code. Option D, user manual. The correct answer is machine language code. The diamond symbol in a flowchart indicates option A, progress. Option B, condition. Option C, input. Option D, output. The correct answer is condition. The rectangle symbol in flowchart indicates option A, process. Option B, condition. Option C, input. Option D, output. The correct answer is process. How many types of errors can occur in GW Basic? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. The correct answer is 3. Which type of error occurs when program directs the computer to execute an illegal or undefined operation? Option A, runtime error. Option B, syntax error. Option C, logical error. Option D, output error. The correct answer is runtime error. The annotation symbol in flowchart indicates option A, process. Option B, condition. Option C, input. Option D, remarks. The correct answer is remarks. Which of the following tasks can be performed to remove logical errors? Option A, testing program instructions. Option B, checking all variables closely. Option C, testing all logical flows in program. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. The parallelogram symbol in flowchart indicates option A, input. Option B, output. Option C, both A and B. Option D, process. The correct answer is both A and B. The most difficult part of problem solving is option A, design algorithm. Option B, testing program. Option C, documentation. Option D, program execution. The correct answer is design algorithm. Basic is A. Option A, high level language. Option B, low level language. Option C, assembly language. Option D, machine language. The correct answer is high level language. How many possible solutions are there for a problem? Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, 3. Option D, multiple. The correct answer is multiple. Program upgradation refers to option A, program enhancement. Option B, program identification. Option C, program development. Option D, program implementation. The correct answer is program development. Which of the following tasks are performed by most of the algorithms? Option A, input. Option B, output. Option C, processing. Option D, all. The correct answer is all. Typographical errors in basic statements are option A, runtime errors. Option B, logical errors. Option C, syntax errors. Option D, execution errors. The correct answer is syntax errors. The diamond symbol represents the option A, input output. Option B, decision making. Option C, processing. Option D, remarks. The correct answer is decision making. Division by zero is option A, syntax error. Option B, logical error. Option C, runtime error. Option D, not an error. The correct answer is runtime error. Which of the following documents describe various features of the software and the way it is used? Option A, software requirement specification. Option B, problem description. Option C, user manual. Option D, algorithm. The correct answer is user manual. Algorithm is A. Option A, requirement document. Option B, design document. Option C, test document. Option D, user guide. The correct answer is design document. The process of finding and removing errors in the program is called option A, runtime error. Option B, coding. Option C, debugging. Option D, errors checking. The correct answer is debugging. The technique divide and conquer is used to solve option A, simple problems. Option B, complex problems. Option C, large problems. Option D, complex and large problems. The correct answer is complex and large problems. For more updates, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.